so we're down here today near Yamba. So we're at the beach and we're fishing here near this nice rocky headland. Provides a good bit of structure for the fish. So hopefully we could, our main target is bream, but we could also catch tailor, flathead, jewfish. There's lots of fish around here, so we're going to be using some mullet for bait. Yeah, let's get into it. There he is. Okay, so we're getting ready to prepare our bream here. We're going to prepare it for some ceviche. Okay, so just in here, so what we've got is some chili flakes, some red onion, some tomato, some coriander, and some extra virgin olive oil, and a avocado. Yep. Make sure you've got a really nice sharp knife when you're doing this, just makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we're just going to fillet this bream. So now we cut the fish up. So once you've deboned and filleted the fish and you skinned it, then you cut it up really finely to small pieces. Just pouring some lime juice over these pieces of fish. So once we've got the lime juice drizzled on the fish, you just leave it to sit like that for about half an hour, and then you add it to this stuff and you serve it up like some dips and crackers. Should be yum. Okay, so the way that this ceviche works is the acid in the lime cooks the fish while it's sitting there. It makes it taste really nice. Okay, so it's been half an hour, and after sitting these little bits of fish in the lime, now we put them into this mix, and you get some crackers, scoop it up.
Yum.
There we go.
We have to see it.
What's that?
Yum.
On a plate?
There we go. Okay guys, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and yeah, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Phew.